princess, a morsel. Hi you guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Rian. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday everyone. It is super early in the morning. I'm leaving to go to the Cloud Studio for the pod. This morning for a change, I'm actually feeling super energetic and ready to take on the day. So let's go make some coffee and leave ASAP. Hey, look at all this lip gloss and lipstick on my coffee. It looks gross now.
And it's mixed with the coffee.
But I don't know, I love Itara, but Itara, why is your idhar ka packaging so small and the straw so big? Yeah. Guys, we're on Saturday to shoot the pod. I didn't vlog at all. Just because, you know, so much was happening.
Yeah, it was a hectic day. It was back to back.
Yeah, and Thea just came. So then as soon as Thea came, I was like, it's not Thea's. But yeah, I'm doing tips, no surprises. Saying caution, content, hot contents in it. This is iced coffee.
This is usually given for hot drinks, na? This.
That's why the small hole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to drink it like this.
Like
That's why
slowly.
this yeah, this is not an iced coffee. But coffee is good. No offense.
Yes.
Oh my god, the way I have left the house in such a rush. It is 9:44 a.m. and look at the halat outside. It's raining, it's messy. I, on the other hand, am in an all-white outfit. Great, takes courage, but I'm going for a brand event and I have a shoot there and I am not ready. I woke up 1 hour later than I was supposed to, so this is my current halat. No makeup, nothing. I've just put a sweatshirt on top because I was feeling kind of, you know. Yeah, I set my alarm for 8 a.m. and I woke up at 9 a.m. Anyway, I'm about to do my makeup. I've gotten literally everything in my bag with me. I've gotten like some essentials of mine. I've gotten my whole makeup kit and I have gotten all of my jewelry. So I've already worn some stuff which I know I don't have in my jewelry case, but let's start getting ready. So then I can just be ready and chill and I won't have to stress then. Looky, clippies. I would do my makeup here, but it's just gonna take me way longer, so I'll see you when it's done. Bye. Made it to the event. My makeup is done. And Kanchi's here. Hello. And Paul is here. Say hi. Guys, we're doing a vox pop at this event. So it's not like a regular event coverage thing. We're like talking to everyone. By the way, Anmol is behind the camera. He's vlogging for me. Thanks.
We just need one more whole answer thing
And the outro shot and we're done. Yeah, even I think. Guys, look, I'm bedazzling my Nivea serum. It's actually so fun to do. Like,
It's a great activity.
yeah, it's a great and
You
like
know what? We should bedazzle flowers. Like I've seen people bedazzle lilies. Like the border and all. It looks insane.
can we do that?
Yeah, we should. It's a very good activity.
I'm genuinely really enjoying myself because now the shoot is done, everything is done, and I'm still doing it. Success. Bye, Sharma Kanchi.
Bye bye.
See you. Drive safe.
See you soon.
See you for exciting things soon.
Speak to you soon.
Bye. Shit, guys. There were so many people. And, it was so small. Why was it so small, the place? There was no place to move or go anywhere. But we finished the shoot, so that's what matters. And I'm gonna put my feet up and I'm gonna put this sweatshirt on. So let's party. Guys, I have finally reached home. It's literally 4 p.m. I left from there at 1:40. It has been literally more than 2 hours. My head is throbbing and the worst part is that I have not eaten a morsel of food all day. Not one morsel. Like, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. It's like not even funny at this point. Actually, I'm not even hungry anymore. I just feel like I'm about to pass the F out if I don't get food in my mouth right now. I genuinely thought I would come back in like an hour because that's usually how long it takes me, like an hour or like an hour 10. I don't even know what's up today. There was an accident at the coastal road. There was so much happening, man. I ordered my food when I was like supposed to be 30 minutes away and the food was supposed to be 45 minutes away and it still reached before me. I ordered bougie coffee, ice on the side, and I ordered a chicken and veggies wrap. So let's eat. A hectic morning, to say the least. Hi guys, I'm on set, but I forgot to end this video because I got Kanchi's here. She's saying hi. I forgot to end this video because I got so sick after the last meal I ate. I puked like 5-6 times and then I just could not do anything. But it's a few days later. I'm all okay now, so no need to worry. And I'm on the S2S set. See how cute this is looking. But I know this video is kind of random and very short, but at least it's a vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. That's it.
Sorry.
A pod shoot. Oh, this is from our last pod shoot day. Yes, and our Nivea shoot. So that's it. See you in the next one. Bye. Love you.